Ever wished you could leave your backpack at home but still carry all your essentials? That's exactly what this new waterproof jacket is trying to solve. Instead of relying on bags, this jacket is packed with pockets, enough to hold everything from a 16-inch laptop to a water bottle, plus a whole bunch of other everyday gear. And yes, some of its coolest features are literally built into the sleeves. The team behind the Minimal Organized Wear brand seems to love one big question: how many pockets are too many? So far, they haven't found the limit. They previously launched a hoodie with 28 pockets and pants with 18, both of which did really well through crowdfunding. Now they're back with something even more ambitious, the Isola 26 jacket. And people are clearly excited about it. The campaign absolutely blew past its funding goal, raising well over $200,000 when it originally only aimed for about $9,000. So what makes this jacket so interesting? One of the standout features is something the creators call a 3D touch view desk. It's basically a chest pocket that unzips and folds down to create a small shelf for your phone. That means you can place your phone on it and interact with it easily without having to hold it. For people riding bikes or scooters, that could actually be really useful. There's also another clever phone feature built into the sleeve. A transparent pocket lets you see and use your phone without even taking it out. And if you'd rather keep things discreet, there's a flap that covers the window when you don't want your phone on display. The detachable hood also includes transparent side windows, which means you can still see to the left and right while staying protected from the rain. It's a small detail, but it could make a big difference when you're moving around in bad weather. Another interesting addition is something called the Silent Pocket. This pocket is made from a special material designed to block signals, which means your phone won't connect to networks while it's inside. So if you want a break from notifications, calls, or messages, you can basically put your phone in digital isolation for a while. The jacket also has a few tricks when it comes to portability. It can actually fold into itself and transform into a backpack, making it easier to carry if the weather warms up and you don't feel like wearing it anymore. There's also a detachable strap so you can carry it like a sling bag instead. Of course, with so many pockets, you could end up loading this jacket with quite a bit of gear. If every pocket were filled, it might start to feel pretty heavy. Because of that, it might not be something most people want to wear fully loaded every single day. Where this kind of jacket could really shine is during travel. Airlines keep getting stricter with carry-on rules, and overhead bin space always seems to run out. A jacket like this could let you store a surprising amount of gear directly on you, things you might normally pack in a small carry-on or underseat bag. That means you could free up space in your actual luggage or avoid paying for extra baggage altogether. And when every inch of packing space counts, a jacket full of cleverly designed pockets might turn out to be a surprisingly useful travel companion.